Flexible exchange rate. Under flexible exchange rate is determined in the market by banks, financial institutions, firms for the purpose of arbitrage, hedging and other speculation purposes, and they demand and they sell currency, and their demand and selling of currency determines the exchange rate. This is the demand for dollars and supply of dollars between India and USA. This is the exchange rate, rupees per unit of dollar. This is the quantity of dollars. Their intersection is giving $50 rupees per dollar. Now suppose imports from USA increase. When imports from USA will increase, Indians have to pay US residents in terms of dollars. So demand for dollars would increase. The exchange rate has risen now. So this will push the exchange rate up. In this case, there is no central bank which is ready to supply for the excess demand for dollars. Okay, and fix the exchange rate at 50 rupees per dollar. No. So this is the new equilibrium exchange rate. Supposedly, exports to US will increase. Indians here would need to be paid in Indian rupees. So demand for Indian rupees will increase. So foreigners will be supplying their dollars in India and converting those dollars in Indian rupees. And when that happens, supply of dollars in the market would increase. Supplying of dollars in the market would mean that there is fall in the exchange rate. Say for example, to rupees 40 per dollar. So when imports to US were increasing, or imports from US were increasing, there was appreciation. When exports to US were increasing, there is depreciation. You getting the point? So, but this is appreciation and depreciation of what? Of the foreign currency or of the home currency. Imports from US were increasing. There is appreciation of foreign currency. Okay, appreciation of dollar. This is depreciation of dollar. And by the same token, this would mean depreciation of INR. Or this would mean appreciation of INR. So let us see here. So when foreign currency is in high demand, there is depreciation of domestic currency. And this is what you have seen here. When foreign currency is in high supply, there is an appreciation of home currency. This is what you have seen here. The only thing which you have to understand from this is that there is no central bank, RBI, federal bank ready to buy or sell foreign currency to maintain the exchange rate. It all depends on the market, how market forces will work, and they will themselves determine the exchange rate. So in case for India, for imports from US, they'll have to pay in terms of dollars. They'll have to supply Indian rupee in the foreign market. So Indian demand for dollars, it is dependent upon what? That how much are exports to India? How much are the capital inflows? US demand for Indian rupee is the function of payment for imports from India. US capital investment in India. Similarly, by the same token, supply of dollars is the function of imports from India. US capital outflow to India. Okay. So price of a currency automatically adjusts to the level of supply equals to demand. And this is the way. Price of the currency automatically adjusts where demand is equal to supply. Sorry, price of the currency. Yeah. So price of the currency automatically adjusts to the level of supply equals to demand for that currency. And this is what you have seen in these graphs.